Hello everyone, my name is Gagan Chaudhary and today I am gonna show you my assignments that I got from the AEROLEADS company. I have completed all the given tasks but got stuck at the last one. I got three tasks for LinkedIn Scraper, the Auto Dialer AI app, and the AI block generator. While I generated the LinkedIn Scraper and the Auto Dialer AI app very efficiently, but got some technical issues in the AI block generator, but have built the code for it so that you can run it on your local PC. And I structured everything neatly in one GitHub repository named this AEROLEADS assignments. So let's dive right in. Here's my repository on GitHub. As you can see, I have divided the project in three main uh, folders like AEROLEADS task A, AEROLEADS task B, and AEROLEADS task C. So as you can see that AEROLEADS task A is the LinkedIn scraper and AEROLEADS task B for the auto dialer and or AEROLEADS task C for the AI powered block generator. So this is the LinkedIn profile scraper and you can see uh, for the AEROLEADS task B the auto dialer built with Ruby on Rails plus Twilio and I put my best to build that AI block generator, but got some technical issues. So I can't demonstrate it to you, but have built the code and files of it so that you can use it on your local PC. Here are all the setup instructions you can go through like this. You can have an access of it. So let us continue with the AEROLEADS task A, which is the LinkedIn scraper. So uh, since the LinkedIn scraper, the objective was to scrape the LinkedIn profiles and save the extracted data into a CSV file. I have used Python, Selenium, and Beautiful Soup for this task since LinkedIn restricts automatic access. I have handled login using Selenium with a test account and applied different browser headers and small random delays between requests. The scraper extracts important details such as the name, headline, location, current position, and profile URL of each LinkedIn user. The results are stored neatly in a CSV file inside the folder. So next, I'm gonna demonstrate it to you. As you can see, yeah, like this. So here we got it, and in the terminal, I'm gonna open it. As you can see, we got some instructions to run that. We're gonna run this command for in the terminal, and I have installed all the dependencies as you can see there and configure the credentials for using it on your local PC. You have to install the dependencies, configure the credentials, add profile URLs to the profile URLs text, which is like this. And I'm gonna copy and paste that uh, code. As you can see, as the code is pasted and it is starting executing. So I'm gonna tell you how it works. Yes, and as you can see that the executing step is started. You can see like here we used only two profiles for scraping the data. You can use many of you want. As you can see that the Chrome browser has opened and the function is AI automated, so everything gonna happen automatically, uh, like this. You can see LinkedIn login web page like this. I have used my credentials, my test account for it. I suggest you not to use your original account or details of it. So we are going through it. I suggest you to use it for your test cases. I have developed this as I suggested in the tasks. The whole process is automated. The scraping is very automated. You can see that like when we get into this, you can see that like the escaping has started and it gonna takes minimum some seconds, like as you can see logging into LinkedIn, the processing has started. Now the escaping executes automatically, and the all the information and data is gonna be stored in the LinkedIn profiles.csv. As you can see there, I have run it many times before, and you can see it's I made it for the professional use case, and it's ongoing process. So yeah, until the escaping is started, let me clear you something about that. Like I made it with the various technologies. As you can see, the escaping is started for the first profile called Aditya. It's all automatic and I don't press any key to escape this data. It's ongoing process and it takes some 14 to 15 seconds for escaping both profiles. And as you can see that we got the data for the first escaping. After this, like here, it's showing that waiting 7 seconds before next profile. So processing the next profile called the Satvik Jen. And we will see here the profile of Satvik Jen. And then the escaping was started. You can see the data is being scraped by this tool, and we got it in the file of that folder. It's a very automated process because it uses the tools like as you can see here, the Python 3.8 Selenium. Beautiful soup is very important for developing that type of uh, app, application or software, something like that. And pandas and python.env are also very important for developing this. As you can see, the learning web scraping fundamental understanding anti-bot measures and practicing Python automation skills and control education environment. Let's see what's happening. So, for scraping has not started yet because of the network issue. I wanna tell you something like you can use uh, and go through my repository of Auto Web Scraper and use it as a structured and installation and setup. Clone or download this repository. You can see all the steps and you're gonna follow these steps to use it. As I told you before, like you have to use the link test email account with the test account password, and the max profiles to scraper one is 20, and delay between profiles is the default by 5 seconds, and page load timeout is like 10 seconds. So as you can see that we got our data scraped. We as we can see that the total profile saved are 2, and the data is saved to LinkedIn profiles.csv. As you can see that we gonna go to that file and you can see the profile URL, name, headline, location for both profiles of Aditya and Satvik Jain. As you can see there, we got our data. So that's the first demonstration of the first assignment by AEROLEADS called the AI Web Scraper. And next we're gonna move to the next task called AEROLEADS Task B, which is particularly auto dialer made with the uh, auto dialer made with the Twilio and Ruby Rails. I'm gonna show you the demonstration of the auto dialer. As you can see that I have already loaded the page, and you can see that I have given some numbers. The UI is also very pleasant and good looking. As you can see, the total calls pending and status is running right now, and I have got the option to upload files to CSV, to upload files manually and with voice commands. And you can also control the calls like a stop or start calls. And the call log is also uh, implemented in that. So I have developed both assignments very efficiently. So, but apologize for the uh, implementation and demonstration of the AEROLEADS Task C, which is the AI block generator. Cause I got some technical issues with that. So I understand that you will appreciate my work and go through it to check it, and I believe that you will consider my efforts. So thank you.